Welcome to Star Technology 5G. In today's video, I will show you how to become an Amazon Associates affiliate and earn money online. Let's start the video. First of all, open any internet browser and search Amazon Associates. Open the first link, Amazon.com Associates Central. Here is the home page of Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates, Amazon's affiliate marketing program. Sign up, recommend, earn, sign in, English language, select your country. I am in Saudi Arabia. I will select the Saudi Arabia. But you can also select the different country like United States. Now click on Sign Up. Click on Create your Amazon account. Create account. Your name. Star Technology. Email. startechnology5g@gmail.com. Password. At least 6 characters. Enter password. Re-enter password. And click on Create your Amazon account. Verify email address. To verify your email, we have sent a one-time password OTP to startechnology5g@gmail.com. It will send you one-time password on your email. Open your email. Here is Amazon email I received. Open email. Here is one-time password. Copy it and paste it here. Now click on Create your Amazon account. Now you need to fill one form. Payee name, Star Technology. Address line 1. Enter your address. City Dammam. State, province, or region. Dammam. Country Saudi Arabia. Phone number. Enter your phone number. Click on Next. Enter your website. Enter your mobile app URL. If you do not have website, then you can also write your YouTube channel address. Open your YouTube channel. Your channel. Copy your YouTube channel's URL. Paste here and click on Add. Click on Next. Are any of the websites or mobile apps listed above directed primarily at children under 13? These websites and mobile apps are not eligible to display banners, widgets, special links, or other ads from Amazon Associates. You are required to declare this information. Click on No. Confirm. What is your preferred Associates store ID? Star Technology. You can enter your ID. What are you websites or mobile apps about? Study and technology. Which of the following topic best describe your website or mobile apps? Select primary topic. Computers, software, technology. Select secondary topic. Education, school, reference, news. What types of Amazon item do you intend to list on your websites or mobile apps? Select your items. I will select following items. What type are your websites or mobile apps? Select primary type. Comparison shopping engine. Select secondary type. Content or niche website. Traffic and monetization. How do you drive traffic to your website? Email. Shopping portal. Display advertising. Social networks. forums. SEO. Other. How do you utilize your websites and apps to generate income? Select primary. Amazon Associate is the only way I monetize my site. Select secondary. Other affiliate programs. How do you usually build links? You can select your way. But I will select manually via text editor. How many total unique visitors do your websites and apps get per month? From 501 to 5,000. What is your primary reason for joining the Amazon Associates program? To monetize my site and other. I will select the other. How did you hear about us? Online search. Type the characters in the above image. And select operating agreement. You agree to the terms and condition of the Associate Program Operating Agreement. Finish. Congrats, Star Technology. Thanks you for applying to the Amazon.com Associates program. Here is your unique associate ID. Enter your payment and tax information. Click on Later. Get started. Here is my email address startechnology5g@gmail.com. Here is my Amazon ID. And here is my earning overview. Total commissions. Total bounties. Clicks. Keyword or ASIN. ISBN. Click on Advanced Search. From here you can select the items. I will select the computers, tablets, and components. Refined by computer accessories and peripherals. 4. HP printer. And click on Go. From this list you can select your items. I will select the first item, HP OfficeJet 200 portable printer with wireless and mobile printing. And click on Get Link. From here you can change your title color. Here is HTML link. You can find your Amazon ID in this link. Click on Text Only. Here is complete link. Click on Highlight HTML. It will highlight the link. Now click on Standard Link. Here is Standard Link. Now click on Short Link. Here is Short Link. Click on Highlight HTML. Now copy link. And paste this link on your website or Facebook page. I will paste this link on my Facebook page. Create post and paste that link and post. If someone buy this item from your posted link, then you will get the commission. And commission depends on product you will select. If you want to see the commission list, you can Google the Amazon Associate Commission Ratio. Select first link. Here is the commission income statement. Luxury beauty, luxury stores beauty 10%. Digital music, physical music, handmade, digital video 5%. Physical books, kitchen, automotive 4.5%. Amazon tablet device, Amazon Kindle device, Amazon fashion women's, men's, and kids 4.5%. Toys, furniture, home improvement, lawn and garden, pets products, headphones, beauty, music, instruments, business and industrial supplies, outdoor tools, sport, baby products 3%. PC components, DVD and Blu-ray 2.5%. Television, digital video games 2%. Amazon Fresh physical video games and video consoles, grocery, health and personal care 1%. Gift cards, wireless service plans, alcoholic beverages, digital Kindle products purchased as a subscription 0%. All other categories 4%. If you want more earning, then you should work on luxury beauty, luxury stores, beauty items, it will give you 10%. Here is your click graph. If someone click on your posted link, it will increase. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology 5G. Please like and share the video.